this is a winter storm update. The wind is very strong right now. Oh, my hat. Damn it. It's very strong, the wind. Snow's starting to come down hard now. Whew. It's 22. The wind chill is how it feels with the wind blowing. It's 17 right now. It's pretty deep. It's really starting to blow right now. So here's the radar. The storm right now. Still a blizzard warning for New Jersey. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Hold up. Okay, there we go. It's still a blizzard warning. There we are. We're supposed to get the heaviest, about 8 inches. Whew, it's so damn cold. Excuse my language. See, this is collecting right now. See, it's got deep. Let's look over here on the whiting on the floor. Let's see how deep this is. Okay, that's about 1/4 of an inch. So the snow's getting deep now. I'll show you now another update from the Weather Channel. Excuse me for a minute. My touchscreen isn't working, so yeah. Here's that. Sorry, just want to show you. And there it is. Severe weather. Okay, it's 3 to 5 through 7 a.m. When it finishes through the afternoon, we should be have 8. So, okay, stay tuned for my weather updates right here on YouTube and my channel, the 2 Coolest 2. Bye. I'll update you about 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours. Okay, bye.